Hi, today I'm going to show you how to cook soft-boiled eggs in black tea sauce. There's a list of ingredients and instruction in description. Pour soy sauce, raw sugar into water. Place tea leaves in a small tea bag and add in the spices. The spice contains star anise, peppercorn, cinnamon stick, bay leaf, and dried orange peel. Boil the marinades for 10 minutes. Before boiling the eggs, we poke a hole on the fat end of each egg. Boil a pot of water and lower the eggs into boiling water carefully. Cover and cook for 7 minutes under medium heat. Prepare an ice bath. When the time is up, remove the eggs and place it into the ice bath at once. Peel the shell off of 4 eggs. Use a spoon to crack the shell of the rest of the eggs. Remove the spice bag from the marinades when it cools down. Make sure the sauce is cooled down to 70 degrees Celsius. Put all the eggs into the sauce. The ones without shell will be soaked for at least 6 hours, while the other ones will be soaked for 48 hours before serving. Try to compare the taste for the ones without shell and the one with shell on, and see which one you prefer. Enjoy!